And I'm having a very interesting guest today, Marc Troia, the general manager of Huron, as well as he is the president of French Machine Tool Association. Welcome to our podcast, Innovate Manufacturing, which is also the theme of EMO Hannover.
Yes, absolutely.
And we have this special edition of Machine Maker.
Yeah. Thank you. Interesting.
So you are having a wonderful outing here at EMO Hannover with the Town of Technology. So
Yes.
what is this Town of Technology?
So Town Technology is the summary of our technologies, which are based on the customer requirement we understood. So we've been trying to show most of our technologies and also traditional technology, because machine tool is also traditional and innovation in the same time.
As I told you, the theme of this EMO Hannover is Innovate Manufacturing. What do you think about Innovate Manufacturing?
So Innovate is basically innovation. And as I said, innovation is based on what we understood of customer needs. But the first thing is automation, because right now production is something which has to be growing quickly, and productivity is also, of course, something, and this is part of it. Second thing is everybody speaks about AI, and so we have some stuff to show about this, but also not AI, but good software solutions, and we have been showing here different software solutions, including machine safety, quality of production, and easiness of production. So this is what we have been showing in this Town of Technology.
So I think we are here at this Industry 4.0, the Prezi, what you are giving. So how do you think this artificial intelligence is really making an impact in the is artificial intelligence making an impact in manufacturing?
Yeah, so first we speak a lot about this, and we don't do so much a lot, but we do things. It is two things. One is ongoing, is the easiness of programming. So either writing the program, let's say not automatic, but to be helped, or to check the program, which is much more important. We can do a program with the CAD software, and then we check the program, and then we optimize the program. So this is up and running. Second stuff is maintenance. And maintenance, it's, let's say, more easy. Predictive maintenance, this is the old good time word. Predictive maintenance is taking into account statistics, what happened in the past, to try to understand what will happen in the future. Treating a lot of information, this is the job of AI. So it is easy by hand, but it is time consuming, and mistake is quite easy. Using the AI, we're doing predictive maintenance much more easy. So this is, of course, it is a good thing for the productivity, not for the present, for the future.
Huron is a 170-year-old company.
Yes.
One of the oldest machine tool builder in the world. So you have a lot of innovations, you have a lot of products. How do you think these innovations, these machines are making an impact in the shop floor?
Oh, first we spoke about the history of the company, and what was good in the past is still good in the present. Means we are doing foundry machineries, stiff machineries, long-lasting time machineries, a machine with a very stable geometry. And this is nothing new. This is based on our experience and the technology we piled up in the time. So this is still true today. It's part of our DNA. Second, with the today innovations, some are basic good solutions without nothing rocket science. Good and stable technology. We spoke about the automation. This is nothing new. It's a gantry with pallets. It's easy for the operator. It's easy for the machine. What is easy for the operator? We don't need a so skilled guy to load the machine. And we have a production even in the night shift. So this is really productivity and easiness in the same time.
See, you, along with being the general manager for Huron, you are also the president of French Machine Tools. How is this automation? How big is automation for the French machine tool industry?
So you have maybe two big businesses, we can say. Very large parts, which automation is not so easy, unless it is real big pallet systems. So it is long-term investment. And we have smaller parts, where the automation is, let's say, more easy because we can use palletizers, we can use conveyors, and of course robots. Today, it's not all the machine with a robot, but more and more machine with a robot. Robot is quite easy technology. It is also quite easy technology to put in place, even after a machine has been installed without. The palletizing system is more complex, it's linked to the machine. A robot is easy to install after. And this is one of the topics. How to automate a workshop, which was not in the past, without stopping the production. When we speak about productivity, we speak about production. Closing the production to install a system is not productivity. Which is why it is many companies thinking about or implementing robots with very short time of machine stop. So robotization is today one of the main topics we speak about.
It's all about productivity.
Of course, always. We are doing machines, we are doing parts, our customers are doing parts, assembling parts. It's about money. Productivity is about money. Either to get more money or to be able to grab a business because the competition exists. And cost price is something, sales price is something else, and in between we have some margin to produce to be able to carry on living. So automation is also a way to grab markets, to grow the production, to grow the market.
Such a big machine.
Yeah, it's a quite big machine, yes, it is.
For the aerospace industry?
Aerospace industry and other industries also. Today mainly for aerospace, but it is not only for this.
Actually, we were talking about productivity and automation, but there also comes a big question. Sometimes when I was there in India, small scale even industries, they are not able to take new machines because there is not skilled manpower.
Yeah, this is today an issue. It is double issue. First, do industry is attractive for young people. So this kind of promotion of industry and the work of industry. In many people's mindset, industry is not fashionable. It's not interesting. It is dirty, hot, smelly, and which is not true. So we have to work on this. Second, we have to speak about the skills. And the skill is again two things: skills at school and skills at the company. So at the company's job is not to do the training of people. It's the job of the schools and university. What we have to do in the company is to help the people to grow in know-how and in behavior. The first behavior is when we do a machine and we sell to a customer, this customer has a customer. And so the behavior of people is part of the quality, but the customer will send to the next customer. So this is what the companies have to learn to people, how to do something and how to do something good.
So, is again a question I would like to ask is globally, is there a challenge in getting the skilled manpower, or is it region specific?
Is it region specific? But it's not easy. It is not easy because the machines are, let's say, more and more technical. Let's say easy to use from outside when we do a normal job. As soon as we go for crazy qualities customers are needing today, then it is somehow really technical when we go, let's say, inside the machine or inside the process. So of course, this is not easy to find the people because we cannot train someone in 2 days. We need months, even years to learn. So we have to keep the people in the company for a long time. It means the company have to work on the quality of life. In parallel, people have also to work on the quality of work. So it is in the same thing. So
You need to balance.
it is a balance. Most people looking into the industry understood quickly that this is an interesting job. It is nice to work on such a machine. It is nice to work on super complex parts. So when we find people who love doing a good job, their place is in the industry because where we can do a very interesting job.
You know, EMO this year is very special because it is celebrating its 50 years. And it started all in France,
Yes.
1975 at Paris. 50 years of EMO, starting at Paris, France. How do you feel the evolvement of machine tools in Europe?
So let's say, starting by Huron, we have been participating to the first EMO in Paris, and we did all the EMOs but one. But one because the EMO it was cancelled because of the COVID period. So we can say we did all the EMOs. France and here in Italy. So this is thing. Second is EMO is a real interesting exhibition. Everyone is here, so the customers can go to see us and the competition, which is somehow not good for us, but good for the customers. And second is also a place for business. Place for business. Having an order on an exhibition is a kind of dream everyone has. And when we get an order on the stuff, we just remember for ages. But this is where main projects are popping up. Questions and answers from customers to suppliers make the project to progress and to be easier to do in a shorter time with lower cost for the customer and higher quality. So this is why this type of thing is important. Of course, speak about the web, blah, blah, blah. Face-to-face meeting in front of the machine is still something important.
Very important.
Oh, yes, it is.
So I think there is a lot to do for Huron as well as for the French machine tools industry.
Yes, it is.
I'm very happy I'm able to talk to you here at the 50th year of EMO. Thank you very much for sharing your time. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, you too.